The Homeowner Rehabilitation Program provides home repair assistance to income-eligible owner-occupied households in the City of Deerfield Beach to promote a safe, healthy, and sustainable living environment. The program supports a wide range of eligible repairs, including general home improvements, weatherization, and energy-efficient retrofits that help preserve housing quality and extend the useful life of existing homes. Eligible repair items include, but not limited to, mold and lead remediation, roof replacements, exterior windows and doors, shutters, air conditioning systems and air ducts, electrical and plumbing systems, internal repairs such as ceilings and walls, and kitchen improvements. The program is funded through entitlement grants from the Community Development Block Grant, State Housing Initiatives Partnership, and Home Investment Partnership Program, and is administered by the City of Deerfield Beach Community Services Department. The maximum assistance amount per qualified applicant varies by income level. Extremely low to low income households are eligible for up to $70,000, and moderate income households are eligible for up to $40,000. Assistance is provided in the form of a 0% interest deferred second mortgage on the property, which may be forgiven or converted to a grant upon full compliance with all program requirements. This is a list of required documents to participate. Requirements are subject to change, along with portal access. Please note that some items may not apply to your current circumstances. Reverse mortgages are not allowed at this time. We currently have funding available for extremely low income, very low income, and low income households. Funding for the moderate income category has been fully exhausted at this time. Application assistance is available upon request by appointment only. Should you have questions pertaining to the information provided, you may contact us at 954-250-4253.